Looking to make $10,000 per month? Keep watching. You won't make $10,000 per month if you have the wrong offer. Let me explain. Every business has something to sell. They know their audience. Yet, some struggle to land their first client, even after years. Need more clients? Need more sales? Here's the secret. Build a micro offer in just 2 steps. Sell something small that provides instant value. For example, offer personalized consultations or audits tailored to your audience. Provide a bite-sized version of your full service to show quick wins. Give something for free first. For example, create a powerful lead magnet that attracts the right people. Yes, they work. Offer a 0% risk pricing model. If you want to book 2 meetings in just 3 days using these simple strategies, let's chat. If I can do it, so can you. Remember, your offer is the bridge between your service and your ideal client. Make it strong enough, and they'll come walking straight to you. Because you deserve to hit that $10,000 per month goal. What's your offer? Slide into my DMs if you'd like to chat and hit that $10,000 per month now.